But before we go into that, check out this turban, guys. How cute did it look? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, you already know I left something hanging from why I stopped spending so much on makeup. This is going to be the continuation of that. Okay, so but before I go in, I would like to say thank you to you all for viewing, for coming here to support me. Thank you so much. Thank you so. Yeah, so I really do understand that life can be so busy, and the fact that you're able to take part of your precious time to come view, support me. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate you. And if you're new around here, hello, my name is Rodiyah. Here I'm sharing beauty and lifestyle related content and anything that I feel like you need to hear about. And if you already like what you hear, kindly join this mindful community and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell just so you don't miss a thing from me. Okay, so before I actually go into today's video, I would like to say a quick shout out to my sister Add-ons. So she is the kind that when you need her to tell you the truth, she's going to tell you the truth. She gave me a review on my last video saying something like, every time in your intro you're talking about my channel, can you just give this channel a name already so we don't hear my channel anymore? And I really wanted to like rub minds with you guys just to know, is this a thing? Can you give your channel a name? So instead of me saying my channel, I'm giving it a name. So let me know. Honestly, I'm still new to this and I'm actually exploring options. So thank you Add-ons for putting my mind to that. Honestly, I don't mind hearing from you guys. Kindly leave me a comment below, and yeah, let's have a look into that together. So in this video, you already know from my background, you already know what we're going to talk about, and this is the continuation of why I stopped spending so much on makeup. So if you haven't seen that video, it's going to be up here and also down in the description box. You can go catch up on that just so you get a refresher. And now I'm going to be giving you a full, I will try my best to give you the necessary D to the T about Boxycharm. Okay, so Boxycharm, just like Ipsy, is also a beauty subscription box offering beauty and lifestyle products. They actually launched in 2013. Founded by Joe Martin. Boxycharm has two main subscription options. By subscription, it simply means that you already signed up to get this every month. So it keeps rolling, just like Netflix or DSTV. It's something that you pay for every month. However, if you don't want it every month, you can decide not to. The first one is the base box, which kind of have a twist to it because you can decide to upgrade to another box. So let me explain this to you. The base box is $25. It used to be $21. Currently it's $25, and I feel like since the price has changed, there is a lot of changes also in the kind of products that features in these boxes. So every quarter you can decide to upgrade to another box. The other box is BOXYLUXE. So the base box is $25, which features 5 full-sized products. Actually, I've gotten a box that features 6 items before, but standard is 5 full-size products, which is valued at a minimum of $125. However, every quarter you can decide to upgrade to BOXYLUXE. BOXYLUXE is $50, featuring up to 9 products, beauty and lifestyle, which could total to $250. Now that's a deal. Please note that For you to get a BOXYLUXE, you have to upgrade. So if you want, you stay on the base box, or you can decide to upgrade to a Luxe box, which comes every quarter, and every quarter is March, June, September, and December. So those boxes come just 4 times in a year. However, the other subscription option is the premium box. Since that box launched last year, I've been like, oh my days. For some reason, I just feel like it has more to offer. The premium box features 6 full-sized or 7 products at $35, valued at $175. So for me, I feel like this is a no-brainer. I'm saving quite a lot on high-end products, or maybe upcoming product. Now the perks with Boxycharm is, upon subscribing, you get to take a beauty quiz, and then you also get to make a choice of item in your beauty box every month. And there is also add-ons. Add-ons is basically getting products from their website at almost 80% less, and that's a deal. I feel like I connect more with them because I've been with them the long, and they have this community that communicates well, and Joe sure knows how to play his game by giving us hints of sneak peeks of what to expect in the comment boxes, and that makes me go like, ooh, this is coming next. Ooh, this is coming next. Since I've been on Boxy, brands that have been featured are MAC Cosmetics, Fasali, Elemis, Natasha Delona. Fenty got a takeover this year, February. I didn't get that box. Also, Kylie's skin came around. I'm actually expecting Fenty skin to also come. No problem, I'm gonna wait. But I mean, why talk too much? Let's go in to unbox these beauties. So looking here, I have 4 boxes. They are supposed to be like 5, and tracking back my order, I noticed that one of my boxes actually never got shipped, which was supposed to be a BOXYLUXE last year, September. I only just found out just last month, September, like a year after, that box never came. I mean, after going back and forth, I communicated with Boxycharm, and I really anticipated getting that box because it was 2 products in there that I really wanted, but they refunded me, and I was just like, oh wow, I really wasn't expecting the money. I wanted my box. But thank you guys for turning up. So today I'm going to be unboxing these items. Let's find out together. Like I said, I'm still as excited as, you know, getting it from last year. Since January, I held on with my subscriptions. I only came back to receiving items just in June. So I already have a couple of boxes, but they are not here with me. But when they come, you know what's gonna happen. Okay, so let me open the first box. I have got my scissors right here. So let's unbox together. And I actually love these boxes. I have them like all over. If you know me, you must have been seeing me around with boxes. These boxes, especially the big ones, I get to use them to also move my things around, my cosmetics. Okay, so this is, let's find out. This is After Dark. The theme is After Dark. Yeah, they always have a theme every month. And my variation is 17 here. Let's see, what month is this though? It comes with a flip card that gives the details about the products that came in and the pricing, and the main product here. Oops.